On the 12th of June 1974, the very last E-Type Jaguar rolled off the production line. HDU 555N was that car. After 13 years and 72,000 units, the world's most iconic car had finally run out of road. Over the years, the E-Type had evidently put on weight, but in Series 3 open two-seater form, it was still an elegant and, with V12 power, extremely capable machine. The last 50 E-Types all carried a Sir William Lyons commemorative plaque and were finished in black, except for the penultimate car, finished in British Racing Green. HDU 555N was registered on the 5th of February 1975 and was retained by Jaguar until 1983, when it was passed over to the Jaguar Daimler Heritage Trust. Seen here at the E-Type 60th anniversary event at Shelsley Walsh on June 12th and 13th, 2021, HDU is a fitting finale for a legendary motor car.